In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard door window sensor. The door window sensor will alert you in the app if windows or doors are open. First step in setting up your new door and window sensor is to remove the mounting bracket and the battery cover to expose the battery. Remove the battery isolation by pulling the plastic tab and put the cover back on. You are now ready to pair the door window sensor with your Heimgard app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click plus sign and then click the Scan for New Device symbol. It's time to activate your door window sensor. Insert the metal pin and click and hold the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for the device. You are now ready to configure your door window sensor. Name your device and choose your designated room. You can also add your door window sensor to your security system by clicking on Advanced Option and Security System. Configure the sensor as a generic device if you don't want to trigger any alarms. Mount your door window sensor next to your upper door, or window indoor framework as shown. The mounting distance between the sensor and the magnet must be less than 15 millimeters. Remove the protective layer on the double-sided tape on the sensor. Place the device on the upper side wall or door window frame. Remove the protective layer over the double-sided tape on the magnet. Place the magnet on the door window. Remember, the distance between the sensor and the magnet must be less than 15 millimeters when the window or door is closed. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimguard.com.